Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you a quick guide on how to claim reward codes on Monopoly Go. So first, you want to navigate to your web browser of choice and type in monopolygo.com. This will bring you to their homepage, where then we will want to go to the top right hand corner where it says log in. We simply click on it and it will tell us to sign in with Facebook. Now before we continue, you want to make sure that your Monopoly Go is linked with your Facebook account. Now once we press on continue, you'll see that we're now logged in, and now we can go to reward codes. Now you simply have to type in your reward code right here and press on the big green go button. Now if you don't know where to find reward codes, you simply have to buy a Monopoly Go board game made in collaboration between Scopely and Hasbro. These individual codes will then give you a special token in the shape of Mr. Monopoly for you to use in their mobile app. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching.